The Massachusetts Department of Conservation and Recreation is responsible for improving the state's outdoor recreational areas and natural resources. In doing so, DCR maintains an inventory of over 2,000 structures throughout the Commonwealth, comprising skating rinks, park offices, maintenance buildings, swimming pools, and comfort stations. The agency had a long need to update how this vast inventory of properties was organized, tracked, and cared for. Restoring and improving DCR facilities has always been a main focus for the agency. This focus was fully tested on January 24, 2015. In less than a month, 5 storms dumped a record-breaking 8 feet of snow. In total, 110 inches of snow fell on New England, 44 inches above average. With this snow came high winds, flooding, and freezing rain. The heavy snow loads began straining and collapsing roofs across the region. Structural investigations immediately followed, and DCR's need for a complete roofing inventory was pushed to the forefront. In the summer of 2015, CLE Engineering was contracted to develop a comprehensive roofing assessment program for DCR's state-owned facilities. Working with DCR personnel, CLE designed an online database that organized and tracked existing roof conditions along with a detailed maintenance program. This program included repair cost estimations with recommendations for short and long-term repair priorities.
One of our first hurdles was to overcome the sheer size of the inventory, which covers the entire state of Massachusetts. The logistics alone challenged us to develop the most efficient process for handling the inspections and assessments. To manage this workload, we divided the inventory into phases, focusing on priority structures. Our main areas of concerns were to locate and confirm the ownership of each structure, inspect and document the roof conditions, and then incorporate all of this information into an online database. To increase the efficiency of our inspections, we relied upon today's technology using Bluetooth-connected cameras while utilizing extension poles for hard-to-reach areas. We also incorporated our fleet of drones for inaccessible areas, such as slate roofs or steep roof pitches. This greatly cut back on the time and expense that in the past would involve more heavy equipment and scaffolding. We were able to accomplish in hours what used to take a full day. The database is what has been the most exciting, ultimately turning into a pilot program. Any team member can now go online and access a particular structure on the map, bring up a specific site's roof report with repair priorities, all in real time. This access can even be executed in the field with a tablet and internet connection. This type of electronic documentation will vastly increase the communication abilities for DCR personnel. We believe it will be an exciting and useful tool for all of the park managers and employees, not only within the DCR offices, but also out in the field. In addition, this program is fully expandable to other building condition needs, such as mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. A facility director can now have all of their maintenance needs and product information online and at their fingertips, making it an invaluable resource.
Over 1,000 DCR structures have been inspected to date. With this time-saving program, DCR will be able to track and monitor all of their property assets effectively and efficiently. The new online roof database can now become a model for other state agencies going into the future.